Bitcoin, Ethereum or XRP, which one deserves your wallet? Bitcoin, the original powerhouse, but slow like dial-up. Transaction speed, 10 minutes. Great for storing value, but not a fast payment option. Ethereum, a smart alternative, but still lagging. Transaction speed, 15 to 60 seconds. It's better, but gas fees can be a buzzkill. XRP, the ultimate speed demon. Low fees. High scalability. Instant settlement. And here's the kicker, XRP is designed to replace SWIFT, the 50-year-old Dinosaur banks still use for cross-border payments. Why wait days for a transaction when you can settle in seconds? The clear winner for international payments is XRP. Fast, efficient, and ready for the future. Who's with me? Stay tuned for more crypto truth.